Respected Professor Shobha Bagai, Professor Arjay B. Majumdar, teachers and students, a very good morning to everyone. I welcome you all to Infinitum 2021, our virtual education fair. It is a privilege to have amongst us today Professor Shobha Bagai. She is faculty at Central Institute of Education, the most popular CIE Department of Education of Delhi University. She is also the faculty at Cluster Innovation Center, once again a unit of Delhi University. We were fortunate to have her with us in the last year's Infinitum 2, in which she had taken an exhaustive and very informative 2-hour session with the students. I also warmly welcome Professor Majumdar. He is Dean Admissions and Outreach at Jindal University. Welcome to our program, sir. As an educational institution, we believe that we have a huge responsibility, that of shaping future citizens. On one hand, we have to equip our children with global citizenship skills, and on the other, nurture them into fine human beings. The present pandemic has certainly underlined the importance of nurturing children holistically. We also believe that each student of the school is significant and unique. They are significant and unique in their own way and should be helped to discover their talents and abilities so that they can achieve their potential. There is a tremendous amount of information regarding courses and colleges available on the internet. But without guidance, it can be overwhelming. It can bog you down. This education fair is an important step in this direction. It will offer a unique opportunity to our learners for assessing which direction is right for them. There are many constraints under which we are living presently. It is not absolutely safe to step out. So, we have put together this virtual career fair for you. We are bringing information about careers to your very home. Also, for your convenience, we will upload the recording of all the sessions on the school YouTube channel so that not just DLDAV SB students benefit from them, but the larger community can also use the information. Another advantage will be that the sessions can be viewed repeatedly. Through this fair, students will benefit in two ways. They will be able to get some meaningful counseling from our dynamic alumni experts who will give them actual glimpse into their careers and talk about the benefits, perks, challenges, and pitfalls. Nothing is more effective than real life experiences. Secondly, they will have the privilege of listening to distinguished resource persons who will guide them for college admissions and career opportunities. I must share with you that immediately after this inauguration, we are going to have a very special session on courses and admissions in Delhi University. This will be taken up by two people who are at the helm of affairs, Professor Pinky, who is Dean Admissions, and Dr. Haneed Gandhi, Deputy Dean Admissions of Delhi University. I hope all learners listen to these resource persons carefully, ask questions, and clear their doubts regarding admissions, courses, and careers. They can also have hands-on guidance and advice from the official representatives of various other Indian and foreign universities in the days to come. Dear parents, your children are our children. They are our pride and joy too, and we will leave no stone unturned to see them as happy and successful individuals. Having multiple experts to listen to while sitting at home is a great opportunity to get insights, tips, and even one-to-one advice that might not normally be available to children. So, watch these sessions with your children and interact with the officials. Dear children, we are trying to provide rock-solid support to you this time. If you falter, we will become your strength. If you decide to take a leap into the unknown, we will become your faith. We will guide you and love you unconditionally. May you shine and become accomplished professionals. All the very best.